So today, I'm going to make a tutorial for one of my puzzle boxes. This one's going to be a new puzzle box. First, make this set out on a 6x6 brick. Then, take 2 tiles. Any way you might, just make sure that they're connected, non-spinnable. And you can place the brick on top. Place it right there. Take one of these and then place it on top. Then make a 1x4 brick with a 1x4 plate on top, and here's a looks like a 1x6, but just put it right there. Then you take a 1x6 brick and put it right there. Then take a 1x6 brick with 2 layers of tiles on top and put it on. Put it on the upper side. So why one side has 2 layers more? Wait, I think I got them backwards. Sorry a bit, let me just do it by accident. Make sure that the side with the tile has the side with no tiles on top. The side with the plates. Now put this. So, now to explain why one side has less tiles, we'll have to make this. 1 tile with a triangle right there, two tiles right there, a brick, and a 1x4 plate. Take it and place it right there, so that the triangle, the 1x3 with like tilted into a triangle shape is right above the tile. Then I think you take another brick and put it right there. Then take a 1x6 tile with a plate or tile, preferably tile, and a 1x6 plate with a 1x2 plate and a 1x4 plate connected in this order. And then take this plate and put it right here. Then take the spot with 2 tiles and place it on top. Whoops. Uh-oh. I think there's a little bug. I'll fix that. 1 sec. instead of the bricks, these 2 tiles. Now take it. And connect it. And you know this plate, I figured it out. It goes right under there. So let's take it and put it there. That might be tricky, so you might want to take that off. So now, you place a 1x4 plate on a 1x4 tile and put it on this 1x4 tile. Then, take a 2x4 plate, place it right on top of there. So now you got the box. The next thing you'll need is the roof, and the drawer. For the drawer, have a 1x4 plate as the bottom, more plates, but make sure that it doesn't go to the middle to make sure there's more space. One hole in the center, bricks going all around, and plates on top. Take it and your base. Make sure that the hole goes in first, and click it in, snap it in, and that piece went flying. Oops. Put it in. For some reason that piece came out. That in the back. Then take your roof, then on top, and oops. Yeah, just put it on top. Now I got the puzzle box. Now let me explain how to open it. If you don't want to know how to open it, just stop right now. But for those who do want to open it, here's the solution. Just take this piece out. Take this piece out. See that little hole? Put this piece in and push. Not a very complex puzzle box. You just put your tree in there. Set is backwards. Put this in with your tree. You put this in here. And you take this. Cover up the hole. Yeah, I'm not that good at Legos and cameras at the same time. So there you go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you leave a like. Bye-bye.